So auntie, no problem, anything.
See, Ma, so handsome, so kind-hearted. Perfect candidate for son-in-law, Ma.
Aiya, Ma, sorry, I forgot. I have a meeting. I need to go now.
Hey, I thought today holiday.
Emergency. Bye,
What?
Ma. Oh,
What
bye.
emergency?
It's okay. Have a drink. Come. Xịt bao.嚟,飲茶。
Zack,
Ya, Pak.
15 minit lagi kita akan start meeting and then Papa nak you present apa yang Papa share dekat you.
Kenapa tiba-tiba Datuk Rahim nak review balik kontrak tu, Pak?
Sebab adik you itulah. Dia malukan anak Datuk Rahim. Dia cakap Badrul macam-macam. Sekarang ni Datuk Rahim rasa kita sengaja nak hina dia.
Apa Rai dah buat?
Rai lempang muka Badrul depan publik.
Serius, Pak?
Yes.